What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the 24 hours market performance, and after that, we will look at our prices in details, and right after that, we'll check on our positions. Just like I always tell you guys, it is something you need to do every day. Guys, you need to do this. It helps you as a trader to make decisions, to see what you want to do. You want to close your position, you want to add up. Let me set this down. You want to add up or whatever that you want to do, so that it is okay. It is one of the basic things you need to do as a trader to have this, to have a successful trade. Okay, but before we do that, before we go there, man, I can't speak this morning. Before we go there, guys, it's about to start. It's about to start, guys. I told you guys a week and a half, 2 weeks. That is the time that we need. And that week and a half, 2 weeks is up tomorrow. It is up tomorrow. Kaspa is about to experience the kind of FOMO you have never witnessed. That's what's about to happen. Because first, we do have the Binance updates. Okay, I think the Binance has started to hint even more and more about listing Kaspa. That's what's started to happen. And those guys, once they list Kaspa, you are going to see people start to sell their Ethereum, start to sell their whatever coins they have to try to get into Kaspa. You understand? So, yeah. Yeah. The most bullish part of it is the FMOC meeting. If you've been on my channel for long, you will understand what the FMOC meeting does to the Kaspa price. Every time we have it from the feds, okay, Kaspa price usually pump. Kaspa's price usually pump, like literally pump hard. That's what usually happens. So yeah, get ready for it. I almost didn't sleep last night because, like, if you look on the chart, the monthly and the weekly, they have turned bullish for Kaspa. But the daily, which is the last one, like when we trade in this my Millionaire journey, I always tell you the higher time frames are what I'm using. So yeah, I thought the daily was about to reset last night, but it didn't. So yeah, I'm still waiting on that. I stayed up last night. I can't even tell you how many Red Bulls I drank to try to stay up. So yeah, so far it is looking the way I want it to go and the way things supposed to progress. Okay, a lot of people telling you like, yeah, Bitcoin is gonna pump, this one is gonna do that. Yeah, I don't know about Bitcoin yet. I'm telling you honestly, seriously, I don't know about Bitcoin yet. Because Bitcoin, we need that $90,000 to we need to hit that $90,000 to gather that strength for Bitcoin to be able to hit that 160 to 180,000. I'm telling you guys, if Bitcoin does not go down there again, it even confirms what my fears are, which means Bitcoin might not go past $140,000. Okay, between $140,000 and $160,000 if they don't go back down there again, because there is a lot of buying pressure at $90,000. Okay, so yeah, but one thing I like about Kaspa is like it's not as heavily correlated with Bitcoin as other coins. Therefore, the FOMO on Kaspa is the real deal. Okay, FOMO on Kaspa is the real deal. And a lot of people who also like to FOMO on price, they are also going to fall for quant, because like as the days go by, it's going to be who is going to be the first to start offering crypto banking services. crypto banking services to their clients. Okay, that is going to be the thing. Okay, excuse me for a second. Yeah, sorry about that. This thing went from completely shutting down the camera. Now it's asking me to to touch the camera from time to time. But anyways, from what I was talking about, we are now in the race between financial institutions about who is going to be the first to offer banking, crypto banking services to the clients. Like I told you a couple months ago, this is going to happen, and when it happens, we are going to have quant have this supply shock, because the way quant designed this is that if you want to use the over ledger, you need to hold and stake quant. Therefore, yeah, gateways is coming sooner than a lot of people think, and yeah, we about to make that money. Yeah. We about to make that money. And don't say I didn't tell you, because again, you guys know I will sit here and I will remind you again. Yep. You know what follows, right? You already know. So back to that, and everybody else who was crying yesterday about the DeepSeek and whatever, that is why I always tell you, you need to put your money where it's going to grow. Jasmine is an AI coin. Or for those of you who did not know, Jasmine is an AI project. Okay, so now the rumors that have been they have started to go out is that they want to integrate DeepSeek into Jasmine to make it more efficient. First of all, cost efficient. First of all, and secondly, you know, like it is competing with chat GPTs and the Googles and all of that. That is something that you saw how it crashed the market yesterday. Although a lot of people trying to say it is what caused it, and I'm telling you, it did not cause the market crash. The market crash was already inevitable. It was going to happen because everything else was looking so bearish, and I've been telling you about this for almost like 2 weeks now, that the market was going to crash. Okay, so yeah, I don't think that's what caused the market to go down. And the stock market, like the stock coins that, yes, they could have been affected by that, is only the like Nvidia, the likes of Nvidia, because those are in the same field as the GPU and all that stuff. Okay, nothing more. But yeah, I've been watching, like again, I've been watching Kaspa for the daily time frame. I want to enter that. I want to enter that trade. The same goes to Cubic. Okay, I want to enter that trade on Cubic. Like I told you guys, I have money on my VIX exchange, and I do not want to miss this. You imagine entering a trade on Cubic right now, and then the market cap goes like $3, $4, $5, $6 billion. You know how much money you can make on that. So yeah, that's what I'm hunting for. Anyways, I think it's better if I show you. Okay, let me show you on the screen right quick. Okay, give me a second. There, here's my computer, right? As you can see, we are on the daily time frame. This is what I'm waiting for, because if you look, if you go on the, let's go on the weekly right quick. Let me show you something on the weekly time frame. See the weekly time frame? Look at the RSI and MACD. Okay, see that they have already reset. We have, this is bullish because it has turned from red to pink. It's already bullish. This one has already crossed over from the blue, is now on top of the red. Okay, that is good. Like I always tell you guys in my millionaire journey, for you to trade, we use the higher time frame. Don't use the unless you're a day trader. Day traders, yeah, you can use the 1 or 4 hours time frame. But if you're looking for that legendary position, the way I do it, this is what I look for. Now, I'm about to enter my trade as soon as this happens. Let me take you on the daily. Okay, let's go back on the daily. You see on the daily, it's still red, right? See, it's still red. Look at that candle. It looks like we are going back down. That's why I'm telling you guys, it is not out of the woods yet. We probably can still see Kaspa, okay, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. And the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, if you go this way, look at the price. 10.9, 10.8. So yeah, we could still see this happen, but it's not going to be long. We only have a few hours left to see how low it is going to go when it does the correction. And again, look at, let me move this way, because I want you guys to see this. See, that's another one. It hasn't crossed yet. This is what kept me up last night, this right here, because I want to enter my trade. I don't even want to wait for it to cross. I want this to touch, I want the red one to touch the blue line. Once it touches the blue line, I am going to enter my trade and I'm going to scale it up. That's what is going to happen. Yeah, I don't really care what the price is going to be when that happens. So yeah, I am staying, I'm like really, literally watching this like a hawk, because that's what I want to do. Now, for everybody else who was telling you that, yeah, Bitcoin is about to pump, let me show you something about Bitcoin right quick. Let me get here. Let's get to BTC right quick. Let's go to BTC right there. Bitcoin. And there. Let me move this up this a little bit. So you can see we're on the Bitcoin chart, right? Look at Bitcoin. You saw how Kaspa's RSI was almost resetting, right? Look at Bitcoin's. Did you see? See Bitcoin? Look at that. Still way far away. And this MACD is almost, it's just the beginning. It's about to start crossing. This is what I'm telling you guys. Be careful with the Bitcoin price. You're looking at this going down, but look at what price is doing. Price is trying to pump up. So yes, this right here is a big trap. You understand? That's why you have to look at the higher time frames. Okay, let's look at it on the daily, right? On the weekly. Maybe it will make some more sense. Look at it on the weekly. See the weekly? Weekly still here. Okay, it's neutral. Like, people don't know what they want to do. It's neutral and it's still here. It hasn't even started to go like to cross over yet. So yeah, it has that momentum. Like I'm telling you, look on the daily. Daily is what really confirms everything. Until this right here resets, until this resets. Okay, this also resets. Then yes, I will be confirming that Bitcoin is bullish again. But until this, because it usually goes the monthly resets, the weekly resets, then the daily resets. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. You better be careful with this right now, because like if that's why I'm sitting on the sidelines and I'm watching everything. Not just for Bitcoin. For me, I'm trading Kaspa. So yeah, Bitcoin really. The only reason I'm watching Bitcoin is because of Kaspa and because of Jasmine. Okay, let's go back to Kaspa right quick. I'm watching Bitcoin because of Quant and Jasmine. Sorry, that's the reason why I am watching Bitcoin, because you guys already know whatever that Bitcoin does, Jasmine is going to do. So yeah. That is it right there. So if you're gonna do the same like me, please do not enter a trade until you see this. See that? Until you see it resetting. The blue one has to go above the red. Or if you want to do like me, as soon as they touch, you enter your trade and scale it up. Because yes, price might still come down a little bit more, but that shows you that the sellers, they are running out of steam. So yeah, that's what I am going to do. So okay, now let me go back here. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at right now. So I'm not entering that trade until those lines cross on the RSI. MACD, we already know, is a lagging indicator. It usually come a little bit a little bit later on the, as the price progress. But like I just showed you guys, that candle, that daily candle, still like really reddish. I want to see how it's gonna close the day today, how everything is gonna happen. So yeah, you guys already know, a lot of coffee or a lot of Red Bull, whatever that it is. So yeah. So anyways, now let's go back to the what we say. Let's go back to the subject that we were talking about. Okay, so I'm so excited. I am so excited because another thing, before I forget, another thing on the history of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, February usually be a bullish month, very bullish. For some reason, I really couldn't correlate what's going on there, but it usually be a very bullish month. And another thing again is also that the next Japanese FMOC meeting, we have to watch. Are they going to increase those again? Because if they do increase their interest rate from 50 basis to probably 75 basis, that, guys, is going to be very, very detrimental for Bitcoin and others, other stocks. Okay, so yeah, you guys already know. You already know the drill. But again, that's another thing why I like Kaspa, because Kaspa has started to move away from Bitcoin. It has started to do that. The only reason why Kaspa is following Bitcoins lately is because we are still on testnet. We don't have no ecosystem. We don't have nothing to run, make it run. But guys, Kaspa has started to separate itself from Bitcoin. That's why I'm not really worried about what the price is going to do, because at the stage that we are right now, Kaspa is attracting more eyes, and the FOMO you're about to, like I said when I started this video, the FOMO you're about to experience on Kaspa and Quant is about to be off the charts. You're about to see this. And now this is how I usually start telling you guys to position yourself in. Position yourself in before it starts, because those 2 weeks or week and a half I was talking about this is up tomorrow. When that is up, price action is about to go crazy on Kaspa and on Quant. Guys, for Jasmine, yeah, we have to see what Bitcoin does, because unfortunately Jasmine follows Bitcoin, but the other two is about to go crazy again. Now we're talking also about high risk, high reward. I told you guys, look at the market cap of the market cap of Cubic. If you enter that trade right now, a leverage trade, okay, the only exchange I know that does this leverage leverage trading for Cubic is VIX exchange. That is the only one. So yeah, sign up. Unfortunately I don't have the affiliate link yet, but yeah, you can sign up and start trading. Because imagine if you have a trade on Cubic right now at this market cap, and that thing goes up to 5, 6, 10 billion dollar market cap, imagine how much money you could make. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. I'm looking for those entry level for Kaspa and Cubic, and they're about to reset on the daily. Those daily, once they reset, it's go time. Anyways, guys, yeah, the FOMO is real. Yeah, anyway, I will sit here and laugh about it again like I always do when it happens, because most people did not listen when I'm trying to tell you guys. In my millionaire journey, we're here to make money. And those entries I'm telling you right now, those are the million maker entries. You guys already know I look for that mega million entry, put it in there, and 6 to 8 months to come, we count that money. That's exactly how we roll. Anyways, let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing. Let's go see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay. Well, this is way better than than shutting down the entire camera. Well, I can live with that. Anyways, now let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles here, so you guys can see what's going on in the market. It's like, yeah, see what I'm telling you about? Compare this for a couple of days. The 2 weeks are almost over with, and now, as you can see, the market has started to recover on the daily. You remember the last dailies, how they look like? Yeah. Anyways, regardless, let's go look at the coins right quick. We're going to start with King Kaspa, KAS. King Kaspa right here. As you guys can see, for the past hour, we are down 0.3%. On the day, we are up 1.7%. 10.3% down on the week, 6.2% up on the month, and 17.7% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $3.18 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $57.18 million. Okay, let's go look for Quant, QNT. For the last hour, we are down 0.4%. 0.8% down on the day, 10.4% down on the week, 12.5% down on the month, and 6.6% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.48 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $37.52 million. Okay, now pay also attention to Jasmine. These are coins that follow Bitcoin, right? That is why pay attention to these numbers, compare them to the Kaspa numbers. So for Jasmine, we're down 0.7% the last hour, 1% down on the day, 14.4% down on the week, 26.2% down on the month, and 375% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.2 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $70.30 million. See, look at those numbers and then go look at Kaspa's numbers. So yeah, every coin that is that follows Bitcoin is going to tank, just like Bitcoin is about to do. Like a lot of people don't believe it. I'm trying to tell you, watch out for Bitcoin. It's not out of the woods yet. Okay, now last but not the least, we talk about Cubic, right? Cubic, again, high risk, high reward. See, look at that market cap. But anyway, 0.3% up the last hour, 4.4% up on the day, 11.2% down on the week, 23.5% down on the month, and 21.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $251.88 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $5.22 million. Guys, look at those numbers. And again, come on, let's go here, take back a camera. Look at those numbers, guys. And again, like I'm telling you, it's an opportunity, a lifetime opportunity for Cubic. High risk, high reward. You need to buy that thing on spot, and if you know how to leverage, put it on leverage. Because guys, either way, if we go up to $2, $3, $4, $5 billion and you bought it on spot, you are going to make an insane amount of money. Much more if you have a leverage position sitting on it, you are going to make an even crazy amounts of money with Cubic. Like again, it's a high risk, high reward, just like Terra Luna Classic. A lot of people are talking shit about Terra Luna Classic, sorry. But I told you guys, Binance is spending a lot of money on that thing. I don't know the reason why they're doing it. I can't tell, but yeah, you gotta watch out for Terra Luna, because they are how do I say this? I don't know. If they succeed in repaying that USTC stablecoin, the ecosystem is going to run. And once it runs, it will probably go back anything between 2 to 10 cents. And that is all you need. Because Terra Luna right now, if you just buy let's say, not much, 20 million coins. Calculate yourself, 20 times 1 cent. So even crazier, 20 million times 10 cents. So yeah, those two, they are very high risk, high reward. But yeah, that is what we do in this My Millionaire journey. We look for that money. Do not get left behind. Anyways, now let's go look at the prices in little bit details. Like I'm telling you, it has started that movement upwards, because like, wow, it is crazy to see how everything plays out the way we talked about. Okay, but anyways, now let's go. See, the entire market has turned. It has started to turn. But anyways, let's go. Kaspa, we're going to start on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, this is what I'm telling you guys that I'm waiting for. We're on the 1 hourly. Let me bring out my arrow right here. And I know a lot of people don't want to believe this, but guys, that's something that I've always worked with. I'm always patient. When I'm patient, I make a lot of money. So yeah, look at this. See the ribbon? It starts to curve down. So yeah, this is what tells me like this price action is going to come all the way, probably all the way down here, 11.2 or 11.7, or lower than that. And it's not going to last long, because we only got a few hours left for the FMOC meeting to happen, right? But You can see first sign, ribbon still red, and we're going down. That's the first one. Yesterday I told you guys when price jumps like this, we usually have a dead cat bounce. And so yeah, this is probably that dead cat bounce, like bam, bounces, comes back down, retest the same thing, form a W and go, or probably go a little lower, form that W and then go up. That is what I'm looking for. And like I showed you, I'm waiting for that MACD and RSI on the daily to reset. The hourly, I'm just using this to look at the direction of the price. Now, if you go on the 4 hourly, look at the 4 hour right quick. See, that's another one. That's what I'm telling you. I am patient. I am waiting. It's just the same situation. Look at the ribbon. Okay, look at the ribbon. See, it's still falling. So yeah, we had that bounce. It fell, bounce. Now it's coming back down. Now, how low is going to go before it bounce? That is exactly the question, and that is why I am watching that MACD and RSI on the daily. So yeah, we're watching this very close because I want that entry. If you look on the daily, which is the one I'm watching on right now, here, look on the daily. See, yesterday, if you guys remember, let me take this line out right quick. If you guys remember, I told you guys yesterday that it is always happens like when you have this and it got bought right back up, the next day usually come down, and sometimes, not sometimes, like 90% of the time, it's going to take off this week. Therefore, this might come all the way down and take off this week right here, or maybe tomorrow before the FMOC happen, when the third day comes, it's going to come down and take off this wick. Once it take it off, then it will start rising. As you guys can see, this structure that Kaspa forming on the daily is a falling wedge, and the falling wedge, guys, usually go take the price back up to the beginning of the wedge, and the beginning of this wedge is at all-time high. So yeah, that is why I want to enter that trade, and I want to get in there. I'm watching to get in there right now. Anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT, we do have here QNT. Yeah, see, this is the daily time frame, and you guys remember I told you guys quant is playing the game just like we predicted. We have a support between 100, something like that, $100 thereabout, and we have a resistance at 125. So yeah, if you guys can see, let me bring out my arrow right quick. This is on the daily. Look at that, 125 up, $100 here. So that is where we are bouncing. That's what we've been doing. So yeah, ribbon is turning red right here. Like I told you guys, if Bitcoin dumps all the way to 90,000, then yes, you might see you might see quant dump. Okay, but it's not gonna dump as hard as everything, because like if you saw the Kaspa's chart, right? But look at the quant's chart. Again, respecting that $100 line, respecting. So yeah, I'm expecting this to respect that, start bouncing to probably start to look up at that $125 resistance. Now, if we break above that, we do have that if we break above that, we do have $164, guys. I will say it again. If quant breaks and confirm this with the daily candle above that $164, all-time high is in. And with everything coming for quant, guys, this price is about to run. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Now, this is the 4 hourly. As you can see, come on. Yeah, I go pressing too many buttons. On the 4 hourly, as you can see, look at that, how it respected that $100. It's respected it. Now, again, we're about to start go. There's a little bit of resistance at the 105. You guys do remember, if you watch my videos, you also remember, like I told you, it's a little bit of resistance there. But yeah, this thing is going perfectly the way I'm expecting it to do. If you guys do also remember, Jasmine, for example, I told you guys, Jasmine, I don't have much to tell you on Jasmine until Bitcoin goes berserk. Okay, because Jasmine unfortunately follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine is gonna dump. Bitcoin's pump, Jasmine is gonna pump. So yeah, that is what is going on right here. So if you look at that, the price action has been mimicking Bitcoin to the T. So yeah, I don't think nothing has changed yet. Therefore, I'm not gonna waste your time trying to look at this. Okay, so come on, this guy is always trying to sell somebody something. So yeah, let's go look at the my position. Let's go look at my positions right quick. Okay, again, please do not leverage trade if you don't have experience. If you do, you are going to lose your money. That's as simple as that. You're going to lose your money. So down below, I do have Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex. Okay, I recommend Bydfi because it's user friendly. Use those links, guys. Use those links. Okay, once you sign up on those links, okay, you sign up, they are going to give you free money. They are going to give you free money, and that free money, guys, take $100, $200, take that and start to trade. Start to trade. Make those mistakes, guys, using little money. Make those mistakes. Learn how to put your stop loss, whatever. But guys, I do not use stop loss. But in your practice, yeah, it's good for you to learn how it works. When you start your main trading, then yes, I don't use stop loss. I usually scale up my position to drop my liquidation all the way down. Okay. Now, once you have that experience, you can follow me, follow somebody, do whatever you want to do. The only thing that matters is that you make money. That's the only thing that matters. Anyways, now let's go look at the positions right quick. We're about to start first with my Bydfi. You guys know here I am trading quant. I'm also trading Kaspa. Again, market is doing what it is doing. As you can see, my overall is not dumping as hard. That's why I always tell you guys, you better put your money where it's going to hold the value. Okay, so my leverage trade, can you imagine what my spot is doing? So anyways, yeah, let's look here on my contracts, because my leverage trade is holding up at $13,000. I like a champ. Okay, so on my contracts, see my Kaspa, I'm still down 36%, which is $2,600. Again, I don't care about that. Like I showed you guys yesterday, this is going to grow. Understand? It's going to grow. Once it grows, then you will see how much money we are going to make here. Okay, quant, again, I am down 6% on quant, which is $600, almost $700. Which again, like I'm telling you guys, I really don't care about this until we start making that money. You understand? And that is where it's going to matter to see this thing probably 2,000-3,000% or even higher than that. Anyways, now let's go look. You can pause at this video, you can look at my numbers if you're interested. Okay, let's go look at Phemex right quick. You guys already know Phemex is where I am trading. On Phemex, I am trading Kaspa, and I am also trading Kaspa, and I am also trading Jasmine. Okay, on Phemex, yeah, Jasmine is the only one that is hurting these positions right quick, because as you guys can see, Bitcoin goes down, Jasmine goes down. So my position, I am down $9,000. Again, I really don't matter to me, because I know sooner than later this thing is going to pick up. If you look at my contracts, on the contract, see, I told you guys, Jasmine is looking like we can go to 2 cents. So yeah. Yeah. So if you look at my contracts on Jasmine, I am down 41%, which is $4,300. Okay, and on Kaspa, I am down 45%, which is $2,500. Again, those numbers really don't mean anything to me. You can pause my video. You see my if you pause the video, you will see my liquidation for Jasmine is less than a cent. 0.008. So yeah, I don't care whatever price is doing. And for my Kaspa, it is like 7 cents. Again, that is the reason why I really don't, it really don't matter to me what price is doing, because yeah, my liquidation is so low, and when market reverses, we got 6 to 8 months. Okay, you can pause it and you can look at this however you want to do it. Okay, let's go back here. We got 6 to 8 months, and in that time period, you are going to see all these accounts that I just showed you, plus the new one I'm trying to open. You're going to see them in 6 figures, and this is how we make our money. This is exactly how we make our money. You are patient. Once the time comes, you pull that trigger, get in there, and relax. You don't have to worry about market swinging up, market swinging down, whatever that is happening. You don't have to worry about that. That is how we trade. And that money, guys, is about to start coming in. Like I'm telling you, a lot of people don't understand what Kaspa is. People don't understand that. People still haven't grasped the idea of a blockchain or a block bag that is as fast as anything else. They haven't grabbed to that idea that solving the trilemma is one of the main things a lot of people have tried to solve with their project, but they couldn't get to it. So yeah, it is coming. Again, people like, yeah, ecosystem, nothing built on Kaspa. Guys, again, I will say it. I think those smart contracts are ready. They are ready. That's why they are promoting banking, they are promoting DeFi and all that stuff. So yeah, the FOMO is about to get real. If you was in the previous bull runs, the DeFi and stuff like that, you will understand where I'm coming from. You will understand. And I can even see it's going to be some kind of, probably there's going to be some kind of collaboration between Kaspa and Quant. Okay, because Quant has a best technology on banking, but Kaspa is fast. You understand? So sooner we're about to start hearing some things about that. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, because we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment, because like always, I like to know your opinions. What do you think about everything we just talked about? And also don't forget to share, that way other people with millionaire minds like you and me can see this information and the family can grow faster. I understand. So yeah, anyways, I hope you are ready for this money. It is about to happen. Okay, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way you know every time that I upload the video. It is about to happen. I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, I told you so. Okay, so that's it, guys. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves, and bye-bye.